is that? 8, 9, 10, 11. There you go.
And apparently I can't count either. Anyway, so now that we have it, my love, what do you get?
I will get my money, Betty, and I'm so happy. As you can see, I need my pedicure like 911.
Because, by the way, we were out on the beach in Marco Island, and you were talking to the champions!
Yes, we're the champions!
Of
Yes.
the Sandcastle overall category in Marco Island contest that they had on Wednesday.
Woo!
And so we need our manis and petties because we're all sand kind of crunched up anyway.
Right, we have a lot of sand.
So you'll have to check us out at Elite Nails, which is where we're headed to right now. But we had to finish out our numbers because the sad face, I'm the loser, the winner, the loser, the winner.
Thank you so much. I love you.
Anyway, until the next time, we hope to see you. Oh, July. I'm sick and tired of losing because I lost twice. So I'm going to make this a whole group effort because I am done with losing at the minute. So stay tuned for July and listen to the awards that we're going to have because it's going to be kind of fun. So catch you on the flip side, my friends, and have a great weekend.
Bye. Thank
Ciao.
you. Bye.